ready, start. Our whole future progress depends on this process of industrialization and the use of higher techniques. Full stop. It must be remembered that it takes long to train a first class scientist or technician. Full stop. To put up a steel plant takes some years. Full stop. It takes twice that time to train a technician who can run that steel plant. Full stop. It takes 5 minutes as much time to train a competent atomic scientist as it takes to put up an atomic reactor. Full stop. We have thus today to organize training for the people required for the second and third 5-year plans. Full stop. We cannot delay this, or else our planning and industrial progress will be automatically held up. Full stop. It is obvious that this high class training cannot be given today and for some years to come without knowledge of a foreign language. Full stop. It is possible and indeed desirable to give elementary scientific and technological training in Hindi or our other regional languages. Full stop. We can translate some textbooks as we have actually done. Full stop. We can build up our technical terms in Hindi as we are doing. Full stop. But we cannot produce the vast and complicated thought that lies behind this technical and industrial age by translating a few books or having a list of terms. Full stop. Changes in technology today are so rapid that even books that are being printed get out of date very soon. Full stop. Every scientist has to keep up to date by reading many scientific and technical periodicals, usually in several languages. Full stop. For this and other reasons, it seems to me essential for us to continue in a big way adequate teaching of English as a second language. Full stop. I say English because that is the easiest foreign language for us to learn and is the most important. Full stop. We should learn other foreign languages also. Full stop. Personally, I think that even from the cultural point of view, in addition to the point of view of developing and widening the scope of Hindi and our other languages, it is necessary for us to keep in intimate touch with and have adequate knowledge of foreign languages. Full stop. Only thus can the stream of thought come to us from various parts of the world. Full stop. This will enrich Hindi and gradually make it a vehicle of this new thought which will go to other countries, possible through Hindi. Full stop. I fear that many of our people have little conception of the world we live in, this world of automation and atomic energy. Full stop. We are living through a period of revolution and we have to face a struggle for survival for our country and not merely for achieving higher standard. Full stop.